4 hours down, 8 hours to go, fighting cancer one step at a time. That's what participants of this year's Relay for Life have been doing all night long and will continue to do so through the early morning. News 18's Brittany Tyner is at the relay with more on how thousands of dollars have been raised to help fight cancer.
Dan, it seems like everybody knows somebody who has lost their life to cancer, somebody who's continuing to battle cancer, and even somebody who's beat cancer. That's why so many people are out here tonight trying to fight back. Now, 88 teams made up of more than 1,000 people are out here walking. Event organizers say Tippecanoe County's Relay for Life is one of the largest in the state of Indiana. In fact, at last check, participants have raised more than $187,000 to help fight cancer. It's amazing to see how many cancer survivors are actually out here tonight. I was able to catch up with some of them. They all told me it's been a wonderful experience to be out here with so many other people showing support and fighting for a cure.
I'm happy to be out here today. I'm happy to be alive, and I'm happy that I can be a part of this. It's just fantastic. And like I said, I used to walk all the time before cancer, but this is the first time since surviving that I've been able to partake.
We're walking for my daughter who is going through breast cancer right now, and she just had a chemo on Tuesday and was just too sick to be able to come tonight.
I've been involved with Relay for over 10 years as an organizer. However, this is my first one as a survivor, and so it's a little bit different this year.
The fun will continue through the night and wrap up around 7 o'clock tomorrow morning. I've been told it will continue even if it does rain, and there is an emergency plan in place in case if that weather gets really nasty. Now, it was announced about an hour and a half ago that it is too windy to light the luminaries, so unfortunately that will not be happening, but I don't think it's going to stop these people from having a good time tonight. Reporting in Lafayette, Brittany Tyner, News 18.